Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of flourish. Of a person, animal, or other living organism. Grow or develop in a healthy or vigorous way, especially as the result of a particularly favorable environment. For example, wild plants flourish on the banks of the lake. The second definition of flourish. Of a person, wave, something, around to attract the attention of others. For example, Happy New Year, he yelled, flourishing a bottle of whiskey. American pronunciation. Flourish. Flourish. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Flourish. Say. Flourish. Flourish means, grow in healthy or vigorous way. Flourish. Flourish. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. He sees 2 reasons for the species flourishing. Now, repeat after me. He sees 2 reasons for the species flourishing. The second practice. Plants flourished in places where climatic conditions previously limited growth. Now, repeat after me. Plants flourished in places where climatic conditions previously limited growth.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.